Good afternoon, and thank you for joining me again for another Dutchpour. So I'm going to be doing a split colour base today. So half it will be white and the other half grey. I'm just using 3 colours today, so they're all Liquitex basics. So it'll be the turquoise blue, the iridescent white, and the light blue violet. So it's just those 3 colours today. So this is a 12 by 16 inch canvas, so 31 centimetres by 41 centimetres. So I will show you, however, not my last painting, but the one before that, that's dry. So if you can see all that shimmer in there, that's turned out quite pretty. So that was the last one I did. So I'll put that back up. That just needs a coat of resin. So let's get started on today's pour. Okay, I've just flooded my canvas. I'm just going to give it a little bit of a torch to pop any air bubbles. Okay, so first I'm going to put down the Liquitex Basics Turquoise Blue. Then I'm going to put the iridescent white. Then the light blue violet. Okay. There's only 3 colours. I put a bit of paint on there. Just give it a bit of a torch again. Okay, so let's blow this one out. Okay, let that sit for a minute. Might scrape the sides or the underneath, scrape the underneath just to catch some more of that paint that's coming off. Okay, now there's no metallics in here, but it looks like the iridescent has popped up quite a few cells in here, which I don't mind, but I don't think I'm going to torch much because of all the cell action happening here. This is quite pretty over here. Don't mind that there. So, and I like, you got a little bit of swifty, all the smoky here. Okay, I quite like this one. Might touch up around my sides a little bit, and then I will bring you down to have a look. So that's not bad, this one. It's quite cute. Just touch up my sides because I've got a few blank. I can see some white coming through where it just hasn't gone completely over the side. So just touch that up a little bit. Okay, we're good there. Good along here. Just to touch up a little bit here. And need some paper toweling, don't I? Okay, just touch up this. Okay, so this is the first time I think I haven't torched it. So I'll bring you down to have a look at this one. That's very, very pretty. Oh look, you can see the sparkle in there from the iridescent. And we'll come across here. Keep going. That's one side. It's pretty in there. Then we'll go to the top. And across the top. The cells there. And down the bottom. There we go. Let me know what you think in the comments below with this one. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, click the like button, and that will be greatly appreciated. It just helps my channel grow just by clicking that like button and subscribing. There we go. That's so pretty in there, look at that. And there's a bit over here too. Okay, so let me know what you think below, and thank you for joining me, and I'll see you again soon for another pour.